Hello and welcome to the Creativity Challenge Summer 2020. I hope you can forgive me my COVID-19 look here. What I'm hoping to do is help everybody. During this time we're all trapped inside a little more than we perhaps like to be, and we want something to do. My book, Creativity is Everything, Rethinking Technology, Schools, and Humanity is all about the fact that creativity is the greatest chief avenue we have towards getting more satisfaction from our lives. I truly believe this, so I'm going to give the book away for free. What I'd like you to do is join me in this challenge. What I'm thinking we should do is, first and foremost, be kind, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and down below in the description, what I think you should do right now is go and sign up for a free course so you can become more digitally creative yourself. In doing so, you're going to have fun, you're going to have more things you can do without going outside and spreading the virus, as we all know we're not supposed to be doing. And from there, you get busy and you start doing some really cool stuff. It's fun and it's addicting. And once you get started and you get in there, the next step, stage 2, I'd like for us to join the Digital Creativity Facebook group. That way you can ask me questions, you can start posting some of your own work as it progresses or as you're finished, and take it as far as you can. There's a lot of things you can do, a lot of free resources for you here, and in the end, if you're really crazy, I would like to teach you how to publish your own book. If you really feel you have something bigger to share with the world, I have cracked the code. I can help you become a best-selling author. That's it. That's my spiel. It's all free. It's all fun. Please be kind. Join my stuff, like my stuff, and help yourself by becoming a more creative person and enjoying your life a little better and sharing with the world. This is the time. Let's get started. Summer 2020. Thank you for your time.